Hello, it's Andrew from Kaa, and now we will talk about clients, endpoints, applications, and application versioning. Let's talk about clients and endpoints. Suppose you are working on parking lot solution that monitors whether the parking lots are free or not. You have the Kaa platform and the gateway, which is connected to the platform by means of MQTT protocol. Then you have a bunch of sensors that monitors parking lots. They are connected to the gateway using LoRaWAN protocol. In the Kaa terminology, the sensors are endpoints and the gateway is the client. An endpoint is any terminal device that you want to manage with the Kaa platform. An endpoint can either be a physical device or a software emulation thereof. The client is a piece of software that recognizes your endpoints and exchanges their data with the Kaa servers. You can use your client to represent as many endpoints to the Kaa platform as you want. Now let's see how clients and endpoints can be simultaneously represented to the platform by one entity. Suppose you are working on Smart Kettles solution. Again, you have the Kaa platform and kettles, which are connected using different protocols. As you can see, each smart kettle is directly connected to the platform and is the terminal device that you are interested to manage with the Kaa platform. Thus, we can say that each kettle is simultaneously acting as endpoint and as a client. Let's talk about applications. You continue to work with Smart Kettles solution. Your business is successful, and now you are ready to expand your broads with new type of devices, with smart fridges. You need to configure the Kaa platform with a new application, let's call it Smart Fridges, and now you are able to connect and work with new type of devices. So the application is the concept in Kaa that helps you to manage different types of devices and define functionality they support. Let's talk about application versioning. Suppose you are working on security cameras solution. You produce the very first version of the security cameras with video recording feature only. The solution is popular, and after some time you decide to produce the second version of cameras by adding new feature, which is angle adjustment. And finally, you produce the third version of cameras that introduces motion detection feature. Now the Kaa platform works with three versions of devices of the same type but treats them differently, depending on their version. Use versions to evolve your devices by adding or retiring features. Kaa supports running multiple versions simultaneously, and this means that you can develop new functionality for your endpoints without disturbing existing ones. So thanks for watching and goodbye.